Okay, so I'm here with this Homelux Theory today for your wardrobe. And so let's unbox this and see what type of quality we get here and how easy this is to use. Well, unbox, it's more like unfold or unwrap, because it just came in the shipping box and then we just wrap her on it, which is okay. Oh, immediately the stuff falls out. So the hangers right here, these seem pretty sturdy. Let's take a closer look. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's Velcro. Sticky Velcro that you can use. And then the hangers right here. It's a soft velvety material. And then metal. So they look pretty nice to me. I think those will hold. Then a couple of inlays made from cardboard. So I think these are inlays that you put in there. And these at the bottom perhaps. Let's see if we unfold this. I hope I can show you. Oh, there's some more in here. Some inlays as well. I hope we can show you the whole thing because I have my desk of course there. So you can unfold this. I have it upside down. And then you have all these different layers here. And then I think these should fit like in these pockets. Let's see. Yeah, so now that will remain open. And you have all these windows right here. So it's still up, but you can still see what's in there. And I think that's pretty nice as a wardrobe. And this should fit over your door. So let's do this. Cool. And then every one of these you can make sturdy with these inserts. And they have the same color as the rest of the material. Just sturdy cardboard with that material on top. Okay, and then just one more, I think. Yep, here at the bottom. Oh, two more. So in every space, those are there. Okay, that's pretty nice. We have all these pockets here on the side, so that's pretty cool. And this side as well. So that should work quite nicely. This is the, oh, it should hang like this, I think. So this should go right in here. Just push that through. And then that's stuck in there. I think this should be able to go over. Maybe I should have read the manual. Yeah. So that goes over, so that is nice and secure and that doesn't go anywhere. And you can hang this. And then on this side as well, I think. Perhaps this goes over the door. Let's see. And it's quite sturdy. You have all these inserts everywhere. Oh, and these inserts go here on the sides. So there are pockets here for the sides. And you can put that in. And then the sides are sturdy as well. So it's very small in packaging. You just put everything in yourself. And then it's nice and secure. So that's sturdy too. It looks really cool. And nice. I'm going to hang this. And I hope this video has helped you see what's out there and make your choice.